Control Shift O. Right. So now our project location, okay, our project location is available to then where? Where is our project? So now this is Durga CVS, under that Durga project. Our project is available or not? Yes. Here our project is available. Now the second developer is going to be making the request for that project. How to second developer is going to be making the request for that project? He is opening the another IDE. Assume that this is the another developer mission. This is another developer mission. Okay. Now these guys is going to be taken by the another mission and developer B. Developer B. Now enter. Now enter. Now here one more okay, ID is going to be displayed. Now this guy also is going to be connecting to first of all that repository. Okay, this guy also is going to be connecting to first of all that repository. After connecting to that repository, now he is going to be getting the, okay, he is going to be getting the an application, that total application. How to connecting? First of all, he is going to be connecting to repository. So now right click on this, Windows, show view, others, CVS, editors and CVS repositories. Click on OK. Then automatically CVS repository window is going to be displayed here. After displaying this, now he is also connecting to that repository. Right click on that CVS repositories windows, then repository location, then give the here what? Now give the local host. The next repository path, Durga CVS. The next user Raju. The next password Rudra. If it is another developer, that mission having different username and password, then we can pass that different username and password. Here I am working to the same mission. Single node I am going to working, that is the reason I am passing same username and password. So now Rudra. Then next click on finish. Okay, click on finish. Then next after that he is not creating the once again that project architecture. He doesn't creating the once again that project architecture and everything. Now directly he is going to be fetching that project. He is going to fetching that project and he is going to be importing and he is going to be starting the work. Now getting that data from repository to client mission is nothing but a checkout operation. After developing the code, then whenever we are moving to that code from client mission to repository, then we can say that is check-in operation. While working with the real time as a Java programmers, responsibility is check-in and checkout operations only. Right? Check-in and checkout operations only. How this guys is going to be getting that term? Okay, project. Now just observing. Right click on this package explorer. Import CVS. Okay. CVS from projects from CVS. Okay, projects from CVS. Then next. So now select this. Okay, select this. Then next. After that means in this location projects are available. Raju @ localhost Durga CVS. This is the repository location. In that repository our projects are available. Okay, our projects are available. That is the reason I am going to take in here. Click on next. Okay, so click on next. Here use an existing module. Then here project is going to be displayed here. Use an existing module. Then project is going to be displayed here. Just we can click on Durga project. Then next then finish. Now we are getting that project or not? Yes, now we are getting that project. Okay, now we are going to getting that project. So now this is the project. Okay, this is the project. Now just we can change the here some size, appearance, then colors, fonts, basic. Now here text font, then 16, bold, then OK, then apply and OK. Then this guy is going to be developing another operation. How it is? Like this. Okay, like this. Public void, okay, function B. Then next after that here int. Now here D is equal to I minus j. Then next after that system.out.println subtraction is plus what we have to take here, okay, D. Okay, now second developer work also is completed. Now the second developer work is completed. Now he is going to be getting total project from repository to client mission is nothing but a checkout operation. Once he is going to be developing some code and finally he is going to be sending to this total modification from client mission to repository once again. Okay, so now here this guy is going to be modified by the particular file. So now that file only we can give the updation. How to give the an updation? Select that file, team commit. Okay, now it is going to be asking to this some commit. So now subtraction completed. Subtraction is completed. Then finish. Okay, that's enough. Now what is the version number buddy here? The version number is 1.2. Previous version number is what? Okay, 1.1. Whenever we are giving to the updation, then automatically it is going to be generated by the one version. Okay, who is going to be generating that version? CVS. Okay, concurrent versioning tool or subversion control tool is going to be take care about to generating the version number. We are not responsible, right? So like this, multiple developers are going to be working on this file, right? So now go to the first developer, and we can develop some code here. Okay, and we can develop some code here. What is that code here? Public void function C. Then next after that, here I am trying to okay, taking the multiplication of two numbers. Now int s is equal to I star j. Then system.out.println, okay, system.out.println multiplication is plus yes, right? Now he is going to be modified something, right? Now he is trying to give to the updation or not? Yes, he is going to be given to the commit, but he is not taking the updation. Without taking the updation, he is trying to developing the code and he is trying to importing that code to repository. Now in this case we are going to facing the problem. Why we are going to facing the problem here? We are not taking the any updation from that existing repository. Okay, already that file version number is what 1.2, but we are modifying 1.1 and we are trying to give into the an updation. In that case, we are going to getting the some problem here. What is that problem here? Just observing. Now, okay, multiplication. Then finish. Now we are going to getting what? We are going to getting boss one error here. What is that error? Okay, what is the error here? The server okay reported an error while performing the CVS commit operation. Why we are going to getting like that? We are not taking the updation. That is the reason we are going to getting the problem. Okay, that's what I am saying. Whenever we are taken okay, any file modification, first of all we have to take the updation from that repository. Without taking the updation from that repository, now don't develop the code and don't commit the data. Okay, so now your module is different, my module is different. Okay, then some another person module is going to be different. If two members are going to be involved into the single module and two people are going to be developing to the same file, must and should we have to intimation. We have to give the intimation. Otherwise, yesterday I am updating so and so file. We have to take the updation. Then we can start our own code. Yesterday I developed addition of two numbers or withdraw balance for that component. Now we have to develop the check the balance for that component. We have to give some intimation for other developers. Now the other developers is going to be taken by the updation and they are going to be developed by that code, and finally they are going to be given to the some commit operation. Okay, some commit operation they are going to be taken and they are going to be developing the code. Like this, different developers are going to be involved into that project and they are going to be implementing an application. Now at the same time here, testers also is going to be involved. Here. Now the testers responsibilities. Okay, to taking that code and writing the some test cases, and they are going to be shown to the final output. For example, here I am taking the one tester. Like this, different peoples are going to be involving to the for that particular project, and they are going to be developing an application within a time. So now here we need to connecting the first of all that repository. If you want to connecting to that repository, first of all we have to take the here Windows, show view, others, CVS NT. Okay, the next new repository location, now localhost, then repository path Durga CVS, the next user Raju. Everybody is going to be connecting to that repository. So Rudra, then click on finish. That's enough. So after that he is going to be checked out the total project. So now import, so now CVS from existing projects, then next use an existing module, then select the project, then next, and then next, then finish. Now we are going to getting the total project. You are getting or not getting? Yes, we are getting that project. So after that, this guy is going to be developing some coding. He is going to be preferences, general, appearance. So here colors, font size I want to improve, text font, Okay, apply. Okay, right. So now here this guy is going to be trying to developing the main method. So main method, under that what we have to take. So now here we can create an object demo bin db is equal to now new demo bin. After that, so now here db dot okay function a, then next db dot function b. Like this different peoples are going to be working on the same project. Now right click, run as Java application. Now we are going to getting the some result or not. Okay, addition of two numbers is what? 30. Okay, subtraction of two numbers is 10. Like this we are going to getting the okay an output. Okay, we are getting the an output. Now this guy also is going to be given to the an updation. Right click on that file, team, commit. So now here something testing is over. Then finish. Now automatically version number is going to be changed or not? Yes, version number is going to be changed. Now who is developing this application? At what time we are going to modifying this application? If you want to see that one, just we can right click on that file, then team. So now here show history. Now we can open this history. Now in this history it is going to be displayed very clear cut information. It is going to be displaying the very clear cut information. Now we'll see here at what time we are modifying this data. Who is the author of this data? Now time, then next this star is represented as current version. Okay, star is represented as current version. This is the sandbox means duplicate copy, right? See now here in this history only, just we can open that. This is the okay history of the your CVS. At what time we are modifying, at what time we committed that data, that information is going to be displayed here very clearly, right? This is the history of the CVS, right? This is the history of the CVS. Who is the author here? Raju. So now whoever modifying that file, so that author name and everything at what time we are modifying. Okay, so everything is going to be displayed in this history. Okay, in this history, right? That's enough. So if you want to modifying any new things, just we can take the updation. Okay, click on update, then we can getting the updation. If you want to see the history, just we can click on that file, then team. Okay, team, under that okay, we can take show history, then automatically history is going to be displayed, right? History is going to be displayed perfectly. This is the history, this is the CVS, right? This is the CVS. We have to use this CVS and we can developing the real-time applications is very easy by sharing the okay those files, right? Thank you.